Here's today's project, go-kart brake shims. They go in behind the brake pads and the caliper on a race go-kart. So I'm going to whip up a set of these. So here we go. First step is to position the sample shim on the flatbed scanner so that we can get an exact scan of it. Okay, so I've done a preview of what the scan will look like on the flatbed, and I'm happy with how it's going to look. I think we'll get a fairly good trace off that one. So let's go ahead and scan that in. So here we have the JPEG that was scanned off from the flatbed of the shim. It's been imported into Aspire. So all we do is we come up, import bitmap, and select your file. So I've got my outline brought into Aspire. So what we need to do now is we want to nest, and I want to do 7 parts. So we apply that, preview it. There's the nested parts. Click OK. Now we want to create the toolpath.